All right, what is 12 psi gauge in pascals absolute? Now, it really doesn't matter whether you turn it into gauge, into absolute, and then convert, or whether you just do it into pascals and then turn it into, anyway, whichever way. So I'm going to choose to turn this into absolute pressure first. Okay, so 12 psi gauge. So absolute pressure is gauge pressure plus 1 atmosphere, right? So this is one of two steps, right? So 12 psi gauge, right? 12.0. And then we're in psi, so we're going to add 14.7, right? Our absolute pressure is, this is higher math here, isn't that 26.7 psi, right? And now we can convert this. This is absolute, right? Okay, and now we can convert that into pascals, right? So we have absolute pressure, we just don't have pascals. So let's do that. Step 2, 26.7 over 14.7, right? And these are psi, right? And that's an atmosphere, right? So it's going to be more, almost 2 atmospheres, right? Okay, and then we want to turn it into pascals, so 1.013 times 10 to the 5th, right? So 26.7 divided by 14.7 times 1.013 e to the 5th. And I get that it's 183,993.9 roughly pascals. Let's see how many sig figs we have. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1.84 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pascals. Ta-da. Alrighty.